In this video, I will show you the steps required to complete a SIMproject. Select the project from your tiles. It's a 3-step process. First, you will need to begin with your instructions and start file. One thing of note, each start file is specially coded for each individual student. There are not 2 start files that are identical. Make sure to only submit your start file. You may choose to open your start file in instruction document in a side-by-side format. You may choose to print your instructions. Whatever technique works best for you. After enabling editing for your start document, begin by following the assignment instructions. As you move through the list, it is important to complete each step as it is listed. Once you've completed all of the assignments or all of the changes, you will save your project and you will move on to the next step. Do keep in mind when saving your start file, it is critical to make sure that you know exactly where you saved it, whether that is your desktop, if you're using a flash drive, or if you are using the cloud to save your documents. If you would like, before saving your document, you can check the final figure, which is at the top of each of the instruction sheets, to compare your document to see if it does look similar. I have made all the changes except for one that's in the instructions. I'm going to save and I'm going to submit so that you can see how the feedback looks for projects. I have saved my document and closed it. I will now go to step 2 in my project, which is upload and save. Using upload and save, I will navigate to where I saved my document. I will select the appropriate document. Once your file has been uploaded, you will say, yes, submit the file. SIMnet will go through the grading and evaluation process. I have now received feedback on the work I submitted. I intentionally did not set the 1-inch margin around the assignment. Here we can review the feedback. It was step 6 that was not completed, and it will tell you exactly the item that you need to correct. So set a 1-inch page margin. What you'll do now is open your document, make the correction, and resubmit. I have made the corrections to my document, so I will now resubmit. In order to do that, I click on the assignment name. I come back to step 2 again, upload and save, select the file that I've made corrections to, and submit again. This time I've earned 100 on the assignment, so it is now off of my list.